Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Wait 10 minutes so caps discharge and you avoid shocks. Put on an anti-static wrist strap to protect components. Once done, remove the removable stand, then depress the rear clips and slide the outer shell toward the front. Use a plastic spudger to ease seams. Keep screws organized by location. This helps during reassembly. Make sure to work on a clean, flat surface. Dust can re-enter if you work in a cluttered area. Once the shell is off, remove the 4T8 Torx screws holding the internal frame and set them aside by slot. Then lift the metal shield slowly. It may snag cables. Now unplug the fan connector with a straight pull, not by the wires, to prevent damage. Use compressed air in short bursts to dislodge dust from heatsink fins and ports. Make sure to hold the fan still so its bearings don't spin excessively. If stubborn dust remains, a soft brush helps to coax it out safely. You're finishing by reconnecting the fan and aligning the metal shield. Then replace the 4 screws finger tight and torque evenly. Over-tightening can warp the frame. Before snapping the outer shell back on, plug in and power up to verify the fan runs and the console boots. This avoids repeating the teardown. If it won't boot, power down, reseat all ribbon connectors and check you return screws to their original positions. If noise persists, inspect the fan blade for debris or damaged bearing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.